Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you first setup of this smartphone. As you can see, the smartphone has been already reset, and now we are going to proceed with the first setup of this smartphone. Firstly, we have to tap next, and now we have to select language of the system. Now select your region, accept terms and conditions, and now you can set up using another device. In order to do it, select Android device, iPhone or iPad. Once you've selected it, connect your smartphone with the device you would like to set up from. Now let's select skip. Smartphone is now checking for SIM cards. In case there is no SIM card, you can activate a SIM. Let's select next, and now we can connect our device to network. You can also do it later. Select skip. Now we can set up screen lock. Now we have to accept Google permissions, and now select your basic settings. Here we can enable or disable location, automatic system updates, send usage and diagnostic data, personalize ads, user experience program, system daemon permissions, update apps automatically, and Xiaomi interconnectivity. In the end, we can turn on parental controls, select font, default launcher, system navigation, and that's it. Now the system is being prepared. It usually takes up to 30 seconds. Tap continue, and it's done. Now you can use your smartphone freely. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.